making $158 trading GM. This is a new one. I have not traded GM until today, actually, or until, I guess, yesterday when I got in the trade. We made $158.70 on the trade, and it was pretty straightforward. It was actually a really good breakout, really good setup, and so let's cover it. This is going to be on the daily time frame, and you'll see that if we jump out to the daily time frame, I believe it was last week that I pulled this up, and I was like, whoa, check out this chart. And I got more interested as of last Friday. And then I got in on Monday when it broke out. Luckily got in early. And then I hit my target pretty much here on Tuesday. And then tomorrow is CPI. And so there's a lot of other stuff going on. So I'm like, kind of, let's just get out. And it essentially hit my target. It didn't technically do it, but it got very close. It wicked up to my target. And then I just cut the rest. I just sold it minutes later just to lock it in. I originally saw this on the weekly time frame, very good weekly chart to me. But then when I really got into it, the daily time frame, this little consolidation right before the big breakout on the weekly, oh man, that's what I love to see. And so that was perfect. So really, this was a daily time frame trade. So I'm going to mark this one as a bull flag, but I'm going to mark it as a daily. I could mark it as a weekly, but that was where the idea kind of originally came from. But then the actual trade execution was on the daily. I originally went stop loss under this low, or like around 45, and then I moved it immediately to my to the low of the day of the breaking candle, and then of course didn't really matter because we hit targets, and that was it. This was actually like pretty much a 2-to-1. So from where I got in to where my original stop loss at 45 was, I was targeting like 48.95. It hit 48.94 today, by the way, which is about a 1.9. But if I move my stop to breaking candle low, it was a really good risk reward. So it just depends on how you view it, but it was really, really good either way. And that's the trade. So not a massive size on it. New stock that I haven't traded. So, didn't really need to do anything crazy there. But we've kind of been, you'll see the next trade recap is a loss on a crypto. So we kind of been going back and forth this month, and we had a big fee debacle that lost me like the equivalent of 4 trades in one trade, which should not have happened, but it did. It's a mistake. It is what it is. So we're kind of in a hole as it is, but this is a good one to see that it worked out, and now we'll see what happens come post CPI and all that. So I'll leave TradeZella linked up below if you want to use them to track your stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.